Hey guys, so as you see, I went to a horrible accident and this is what happened to my face. Hey guys, I was actually just kidding. Do you think that was real? Comment down below if you did. But today I'm going to show you how to do this creepy makeup tutorial. As you see right here, it's super easy, super simple for beginners. I actually really like it. It actually didn't take me a lot of time. I thought it would take me a very long time, but I really like it. So it looks like you get beat up, maybe you fell out of a plane, or maybe like a train stepped on you or something, or maybe even a bullet came in here. You're just a hot mess, and this is how it looks. Super easy. Make sure to give this video a really nice big thumbs up. As well, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you can get notified anytime I put in a new video. As well, follow me on my Instagram so you can see this look right there. I'm gonna posting the picture of it, so make sure you go like it. And one last thing before you see how we do this tutorial: never show any kids your face when it looks like that. They'll never ever talk to you again, and they'll feel so free. Enough talking, enough saying all these stuff. Now let's get into the video and show you how I did this look. Okay guys, so the first step is to take your prosthetics. I'm really actually not sure if they're called prosthetics. I don't know actually what they're called. I think they're called prosthetics. Just correct me if I'm wrong in the comment section down below. But I showed you how I did them. I did them last night, so I'm gonna insert a clip right here. So you take pieces, and first, before you start gluing it down, you make sure and see where are the places that you want to apply it, and see if you like it and stuff, and then you can start gluing it to your face. Okay, so after you've decided where the places that you want to apply these, you're going to take some glue stick and make sure it's non-toxic. Never use toxic glue stick because that's really not good for you. And apply it on the place you want to do it. You want to stick it. And also apply it on the piece so you make sure it sticks very well. I'm gonna also do that like this so it can blend to the skin easily later on. Now that I've applied all of them on, I'm going to let them dry for a little bit and I'll come back. Okay guys, so now they're dried. As you see, I've applied the piece right here. It was right here, but I didn't really like how it looked like, so I decided I want to have a cut on my arm. So right now I'm going to take foundation. This shade is lighter than me, and you will be needing to use a lighter shade than you, because when you're dead or sick or anything like that, your color is paler, so that's what we're going with right now. I'm gonna apply it all over my face, even on top of these parts. So after applying the foundation, now it's time to take some loose setting powder and set all the foundation in place. So now it's time to add the bruises and all these stuff. So over here I've got my palette, and I'm going to be using reds and browns and a little bit of blacks as well. So first off, I'm going to taking this brush, and I'm going to take this shade right here, henna, and I'm going to apply it like that. I'm gonna mix it as well with a little bit of cocoa. I'm going to take a little bit of this red shade right here. I'm going to apply it in the center. To make it look like a little bit of fresh blood is going out of there. But we're still going to add fake blood, don't worry, it's not going to be only shadows. Now I'm going to take a little bit of black and apply it on the outer edges. So now after I've colored them in, I'm going to do some extra bruises on my face. Just with the same colors and the same way. So now after I've done all these bruises, now it's time for some fake blood. I actually did it at home. I added some lip gloss and I mixed in browns and reds and a little bit of black eyeshadow into it, and I just mixed it, and this is the result. So I'm now gonna apply it where I think it's, you know, fitting for it to be there. And make sure to apply it all over these two parts. These are the most important parts because these are the most swollen and they have to have the most blood. You can apply the blood perfectly or just messy, just whatever you want, but the more messy it is, the more real it looks. And I've got this, you know, like very bad dry brush that actually is going to help us a lot in this look because it makes a lot of streaks, and blood is kind of streaky, so I'm just streaking it up. Thanks everybody for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and make sure if you try to recreate this look, because it's so easy as you've seen in the last clip, to take a picture of it and DM it to me on my Instagram. I'll be really happy if I see your look, and maybe I'll share it on my Instagram as well. And make sure, if you haven't even followed me on my Instagram, to go there and follow me. It's going to be right here as well in the description box down below. Thanks, and I'll see you in another video. Bye!